Morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Aljonel S. Abungan. I am 20 years old. I am from Barangay Curva, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. I'm graduated at the very good and very popular school in our country, the ACLC, or AMA Computer Learning Center, Cabanatuan Branch, in course of NTT or Network Telecommunication Technology, batch 2011-2012. I choose this company because I know this company is much better good than other company. That's why I would like to be a part of this company. I help this company and I will share my knowledge in hardware servicing. You will accept me to this company or part or member because I will have a good personality. I believe in myself and knowledge about the computer hardware servicing. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. Good day.